Christmas and welcome to Christmas Eve, or rather morning here in Stockholm, Sweden. The sun is shining, it's -7 and extremely beautiful. So just taking a bit of a morning walk here. We're gonna have a lot of fantastic Christmas food that we prepared yesterday. Already started this morning with some Christmas ham, and we prepared some of the herring last night. Actually, I did some Chinese infusion with lagama spice and a little bit of a cumin. Then I also prepared some of the more traditional ones with eggs and a lot of crème fraîche and a lot of nice spices here. Tonight it's gonna be a huge feast with all the traditional Swedish food. Definitely one of the highlights of the year. Waking up in the morning, we also have this kind of gift giving in the morning. You have this, see if you've won some gifts. Unfortunately I didn't this morning. It's very cozy and traditional. It seems the camera mic stopped working here, but last week I actually went up north in Sweden to Hälsingland, out on the countryside. There was a lot of snow, and we went to a small fishing village called Kuggören out at Hudiksvall, which is outside of Hudiksvall. Has a really beautiful old chapel on top with super cozy winter landscapes when the snow has just fallen. But we also had some really amazing traditional Swedish food with raggmunk. It's potato-based pancakes with some bacon and lingonberries. Super tasty. But now we're back in Stockholm for Christmas. Welcome back. It's the Christmas day now. Actually, I'm just walking out here to the gym. It's 8:30 in the morning. Gym opens at 9. A lot of food went down last night, to put it mildly, but it's one of the best highlights of the year, I would say, with this amazing food. So now I'm just gonna take a walk, explore some of the really nice, beautiful surroundings here. A lot of snow was coming last night, so of course yesterday we had a lot of the classics. So we have a lot of energy from all the different herrings, different flavors, but also Jansson's Temptation potatoes with some fish, and of course we had all the meatballs, the sausages, also the green kale, creamed, and a lot of other fantastic goodies here. I just want to show a little bit. And of course we had the traditional snaps. You gotta sing a little bit and enjoy that. But I feel it's been a little bit too much indulgence, so I'm just gonna walk here, go to the gym, and then get ready for the next year ahead. Flying back to China in 2 days, and then focus on getting in the best shape of my life for summer. It's half a year away only. So I'm gonna leave you guys here with some of the clips in the background, beautiful nature and all the food. And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.